Hey, this is Elisa with WTI, and today I'm so excited to share with you how I'm protecting my very important documents at home. This ENGPOW file organized bag is fantastic. I love this green color. I love the fact that it's fireproof, it's waterproof, and it's explosion proof. This is so safe to keep our documents. We can have our passports, our cards, and we can separate our important documents. I want you to see how I was so motivated to organize my documents after having this ENGPOW file organized bag. I've been loving it. I love the texture and I love how nice and organized everything is, making it so easy to go back to any documents knowing exactly where they are. I really appreciate how this company designed this bag. This makes it very safe and convenient to have around your house, but not only in your home, office, car, but the practical thing is that you can also travel with it. Of course, I wanted to test this if it was really fireproof, and as you can see, nothing happened to the bag and to the organizer file. I'm loving it. You can travel with it. It's so easy to fit on your carry-on as well. Having the peace of mind that your documents are well protected is priceless, and that is just my point of view.